3 magic verbs in French. Want to make French learning easy? Then you need to master these 3 verbs: être, avoir, and aller. These 3 tiny words are everywhere in French conversations. Let's start with être. It means to be. You use it to describe yourself, others, and the situations. Je suis étudiant. I'm a student. Tu es un retard. You're late. Il est gentil. He's nice. Nous sommes tristes. We are sad. Vous êtes fâché. You're angry. Ils sont français. They are French. Whenever you talk about who you are, how you feel, or what something is, you'll use être. Next is avoir, which means to have. But in French, it's used for much more than possession. J'ai un livre. I have a book. Tu as faim? Are you hungry? Elle a 25 ans. She's 25 years old. Nous avons soif. We are thirsty. Vous avez mal au dos. You have backache. Elles ont peur des serpents. They are scared of snakes. Yes, in French you have your age. You don't are it. So remember, j'ai 25 ans and not je suis 25 ans. Also, it is j'ai faim. I have hunger and not I am hungry. Now let's move on to aller, which means to go. You'll use it for movement, plans, and even feelings. Je vais à l'école. I'm going to school. Tu vas comment? How are you? Il va en France. He's going to France. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the movies. Vous allez manger. You're going to eat. Ils vont regarder le foot. They are going to watch football. Aller also helps you talk about the near future. Je vais manger. I am going to eat. Nous allons voyager. We are going to travel. And now, recap. Être, to be. Avoir, to have. Aller, to go. These 3 little verbs open up the entire French language. Master these to make French learning très facile. Merci et à bientôt.